Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for being here. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And today I have a very interested serum, or I should call it tension muscle oil for muscle aches. And so guys, I'm going to be putting up some information on the screen for you. Sorry, my voice is choppy today. And I'm going to be, so these are the things that I need to use today. I'm going to be using all these oils today, and I just want to show you these oils that I'm putting together. So, oops. So today, I'm going to be using all these oils today, and I'm gonna be using the olive oil. I mean, you can use any fractionated oil that you want to use. As you can see, I start dropping already, guys. And so if you see me stop talking, you know that I am dropping all these drops into this bottle. So this is also safe for kids. All these oils here are very it's just okay for kids. And also you're gonna I'm using 1 ounce bottle today. So give me a minute, guys. Let me drop these in and get back. Yes, so like I was said before, that even though I'm continuing to drop these things in this bottle, this oil is very good to relieve these aches, and essential oil are so good. You can make your own, and it will help you just like any medication whatsoever. Just rub it where the pain is, guys. I'm not saying it's gonna go away 1 time or 2 time. You just continue to use it, and then it will be actually saving you some money. It's something that I use home, guys, when I'm having pains, or even for my family, or anybody will call me and ask me what I have or what I think I can make for pain and stuff like that, and I never have a bad review. So I am just making these recipe here and just showing you that it is something that you can make yourself at home, and you don't have to be running to the doctor all the time, guys. You can make your own, and you know what's going to your skin, and you can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars at the pharmacy, and these things never help you. And guess what? You try these little things at home, and you know, guys, they will actually help you. So why don't you go ahead and give these little things or this little recipe a try, and see if it will work for you. And then drop me a line and let me know. Reach out. I am on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching these videos. As you can see here, I'm using these oils here. I'm gonna be throwing up on the screen for you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Guys, so I am in Walmart, and I'm trying to walk around to grab a few things. And I know when I started to videoing. I can't stop. Guys, I'm just walking around to show you what Walmart looked like and what they had in store for summer. The store is so big, guys, but I came in for just a few items, and so all right, come along with me while I show you some things in the store. But honestly, look on these clothes here, guys. I hope I can show you guys. I'm actually looking at the same time, guys. I am in the fashion area, and I'm not joking. I picked up a t-shirt last year, guys, for $6, and look at these t-shirts, $12. Do I buy it? Do I not buy it? It is just crazy. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm still talking about it. Anyways, let me take you around into the store. Walmart. And I'll show you guys some of the store, even though I'm walking fast. Yeah. Cutting down in Walmart area. So, and these people just in my way still. But anyway, I am going around here. And this is the frozen aisle. Let me see these fries here. No, even fries are expensive, guys, in Walmart. I am not crazy. Things are really expensive. Really expensive. No, I'm not crazy. I don't understand why things are so expensive. Look at the price in these oranges. I hope you can see it. Like, why oranges are so expensive? But one orange juice is for $8. Come on. Just ridiculous. Honestly, guys, I feel like sometimes stop just buying stuff. I don't understand if a person working $17 an hour, what is that meant for anyone? Like, what can that buy if you're gonna buy one orange juice at $8? That's crazy. Alright guys, let's go browse around and see what's in here. And I know there's a lot of music and I hope I don't get copyrights for it. So I'm just gonna go around and see. Look how many coffee here. Oh my goodness. Look how many coffees in here, guys. Coffee. Oh, guys. I think I'm gonna be checking out soon. As you can see, I walked not right around the store, but I've been walking in the middle. These are gorgeous, gorgeous. Ladies, underwears, guys. You have to go check out these new things in Walmart. They're gorgeous. But
Hey
also,
guys,
they are
so I am in
everything is
Walmart
getting pricey
taking a quick
at Walmart
stroll,
nowadays.
and
You think people will go to
I
Walmart
just
and
want
then
to show you what the store
you see so
is
many
all
people at
about.
Walmart, you think something is given away.
So I'm in the ladies
I
area,
honestly don't know, man.
ladies and kids area, and so
I'm gonna be
guys,
checking
I have
out
to
a
show
couple
you
stores
the store.
tomorrow, and I will bring you some more
So
of these.
I'm gonna go in the
shoes and stuff like that.
as you can see, these shoes here, they're pretty.
I know nowadays
they are really
everywhere you go,
nice.
guys, it's just music everywhere. You can even take a good video of anything. It's just music everywhere. So
Really nice shoes, guys. Look at this one. And the price is, if I can see the price, $29. And so it is not bad inside here, guys. But these shoes, I have to take a look because I really like them. Yeah, love these shoes.